Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to find how many memory slots you have available on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to start off by right-clicking on the taskbar and select Task Manager. You want to now go on the left side and select the Performance button. And now select the Memory tab. On the right side, it should say Slots Used. Now, I'm in a virtual environment here, so it's not going to actually display an actual count. However, if you're on real hardware, it should say how many slots are currently being used, so 1 of 2 or 2 of 2. You might have 3 or 4, in which case it would say how many are being used right here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.